Hi everyone, welcome to my studio and my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this beautiful jellyfish pattern with indigo. This is on a linen and it turned out really pretty. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button below and also like and share. It really helps my channel. So anyway, stay tuned and I'll show you how to do this pattern.
So the first thing I do is I pinch the fabric and bring it up so it looks like a little ghost, and then I wrap the thread around the little pinched piece of fabric. Around and around I go with thread, and then I tie it off, and I just keep going. It's repetitive and pretty simple. You can do them close together or far apart. It's a good thing to do while you're watching a movie or just hanging out. So I'm gonna just make a whole bunch of them on this piece now. So I've done all of them on the piece, not pretty close together, and you can see they kind of look like little tentacles, and it's ready to dip.
So now this is all ready and I'm going to dip it. I'm going to one more time. I want it to be nice and blue. So there's going to be quite a lot of white in there, so that's good. I'm going to let it dry. Dyed this one and it's dried now. It's been curing for a few days and you can kind of see the white in there a little bit. You can see bits of white. So I'm gonna take it apart now. You can also see in the back the white. So I'm gonna take it apart and then finally get to see what this looks like. I just want to do one like close up for you guys and show you how I like to seam rip very carefully. All these little strings, threads, and then you get it started and then you can like sort of pull it off and just the little thing will come out. So just pull that off. I think that's the last one. Let's see. Yeah, it's really pretty. It's turned out so cute. I don't want to wash it because I just love all the like peaks and valleys. But it's gonna look cool on the flat.